Hi guys, how can you add a color to the transparent glasses in Photoshop like this? First, create a new layer above your image. Zoom in so you can work more precisely. Ctrl+Z to zoom. Now select the curvature pen tool and carefully draw a path around one part of the glasses. When the path is complete, convert it into a selection and make sure the feather radius is set to 0. Then press OK. Hold the Shift key and repeat the process to add another selection for the second part of the glasses. After the selections are ready, select the gradient tool by going to Tools. Open the gradient picker, go to Basic Gradients, and choose a 2-color gradient. Change one of the colors to any color you like. For example, I'm selecting red. Press OK. Now drag the gradient across the selected glass area. Next, open the blending mode options and change it to multiply so the color blends naturally with the glass. If you want a stronger effect, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer, or simply drag to the plus icon to create a copy. You can create multiple copies until the color looks perfect. Now zoom out to check the result. Hold the Shift key, select all the effect layers, and press Ctrl+G to group them, or simply drag to group icon. This is the before, and this is the after. And that's how you add a color to transparent glasses in Photoshop.